Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to align things in Figma. So as you can see, I have this project open. It is called Lato Photo. So as you can see, I have this login page. Let's say these icons are quite messed up like this, and you want to align them together like this. So in this video, we are going to use these alignment buttons. To select multiple things in Figma, you have to hold shift. So click on the Twitter button and hold shift, then click on Facebook and then Google. So you can see the multiple things are selected now. So now go into design panel. So currently these three logos are not aligned vertically. So we are going to align them according to vertically. So we have special button for it. So you can see this is the align vertical button. So if I click on this, you can see our logo is aligned vertically. But there is a problem. And the problem is that you can see the spacing is not matching over here. So we have to add those spaces. So we can add spaces using this advanced menu. So we have options like in the more option like tiled up, distribution vertical spacing and distribute horizontal spacing. So we are going to select distribute horizontal spacing, and you can see our logos are aligned together and the spaces is also same in between them. So that's how you can align things in Figma. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.